guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. As you can see, I have recently just bought a new microphone. The box is over here, which I'll show you now. So this is my new Scarlett Solo Studio pack. So after hooking it all up, also I bought my own microphone stand. So now I'm speaking into this mic. I hope you like how it sounds. I will also now speak into my old Razer Seiren mic so you can compare and see which one you like better. So I'm now speaking into my Razer Seiren, which is over here. So yeah, this is how far I am from the mic. So the good thing about Seiren is that it has very loud volume, so you don't have to speak too close to it. So yeah, let me know which mic you like better. Okay, thanks for watching guys, see you next time.